Disney breaks another record. The company said just had the highest grossing year for a studio ever. It's only July, 5 months to go. Disney brought in an industry record $7.67 billion to date. At the worldwide box office, the company dominated this year with blockbusters that have included Avengers Endgame, which just last weekend passed Avatar as the biggest box office blockbuster ever. The panel's going to want to talk about this one, and you've got The Lion King along with, what are some of the other?
Toy Story
4, just under $1 billion.
Yeah.
Aladdin had $1 billion, and they're all still going.
Yeah, I mean, way to kill it, Bob Iger. I mean,
Right.
Disney is doing phenomenal. There's still 5 months left in this year. It's already the highest grossing year of any studio, and they're beating their own record, which was back in 2016. So yes, the movies that they've had this year have really outperformed. I mean, that's not even strong enough of a word. For like many of the movies made more than $1 billion. 3 of them. You've got Aladdin, you've got Avengers Endgame, and Captain Marvel. And they've also got others coming out, Frozen 2, and Star Wars.
Yeah.
I gotta ask, I mean, it's been difficult to find anything negative to say that I've read about Disney in a while.
Yeah.
There's got to be something that's not working at this company. Whatever happened to all the problems at ESPN?
Well, the Disney Air had some
Are
negative
those just
things to
poof
say.
all gone?
It just gets brushed aside. Even the fact that Disney pretty much every quarter continues to raise prices at the theme parks, which you would think would lead to all sorts of consumer backlash, it hasn't even impacted their business. In fact, it is strengthening, despite Disney trying to suck every penny out of you when you go to these parks.
Plus, we have Disney Plus coming down the pike. But
Yes.
they announced the price increases last year.
Is the ESPN business still problematic? I mean,
It is. You look in the quarters. The results in the most recent quarter for ESPN continue to not be good. Also, a lot of the traditional TV business for them continues to be under pressure. But even outside of this, you can trade this event. There are trades to be had here outside of Disney and just going long off this hot stock. You look at Hasbro. They have all the toys. They're having a rain-making holiday season. Stocks at a record high.
But Disney still, I mean, they're keeping a close eye on ESPN too, not only for those reasons that Brian just mentioned, but also when it comes to politics in sports. They're doubling down on not allowing their anchors and their radio hosts to talk about politics. So they're definitely still focused on that. They probably figured that's the strategy to.
Well, there's the backlash a few years
stop
back
losing money
with
there.
Caitlyn Jenner, among other things.
Right.
Okay.
although that's a risky strategy at times also you can't win.